Okay, I'm gonna work on hangers for the tailstock end. Made out of 1/4 inch steel. I got some chunks of steel cut up here. So we'll take and size them up. What I plan on doing, look back at the drawing here. What I plan on doing is taking and squaring this up to this size and cut this 125 dimension, and then I'm going to take it over on the NC machine, and I'm just going to generate that hole and then cut that side of it. That's the plan anyway. That way I don't have to get a boring bar out, but I'd rather just generate it. And so let's get going here and get this file out. I just put them all away. Snowing out. It's actually above zero, and it's snowing out. Yesterday was above 0 too. Some more of that cold roll steel that's actually pretty decent material. It's just that it does have a layer of rust on it though. It's not, real deep embedded rust or whatever, but lightly rusted. Alright, I'm going to get some parallels out so I can set them in here and build the edge. Let's do here. Now I could use a spring in here. Or have to. Too short. Wrong. And then we'll stick this one on this side. So this one here is just so that the vise can't go like that and then only grip on this corner and then flip it up. You always want something close to the size or the same size. We're just going to mill the edges up to, mill the width up to size here, or down to size I should say. Yeah, my shop buddy, Pookie the cat, he's got what do they call it? I can't remember what it's called. Basically, it's a tumor on the jawbone. It can't be removed, and can't really do anything about it. vet figures, 1 to 2 weeks, and we'll have to do something decide what to do, because he's going to be in a lot of. So I don't know. I feel kind of sick about it, but nothing I can do. That's the way it is. So he's over there sleeping right now. Normally he's sitting on the chair watching me. And he's just starving for attention. I mean, I go over and touch him, and right away he wants me, starts purring and pet me, Yeah. So he started, like I say, he started out to be, he was a feral cat, and that we took in. We actually took in 2. The other one I can't get close to, and we can't. Neither one of us can actually pick her up or do anything with her. We trapped both Pookie and this other one, and when they were younger, and took them in and had them spayed and neutered, and I built a big house for the one that stays outside, Kitty. My wife started out calling him Matt Dillon and Kitty. and Pookie would have been Dillon. He's a male. So yeah, the vet says that's actually a pretty common thing for felines. So yeah. All right, here we go. I shifted into low, or a little lower speed. Take a skin cut off of here. And touch. And I'll move over about 10 thou. Keep it low. And 5. Good. Nee, mach mal gut schlank. And they get to roll orange. Come on. All right. And about there somewhere. Ah. Get it tight. There we go. Springs in here to hold the parallels were in place. Okay. And actually, I'm going to stand this one up over here. Can't do that. Parallel will be in the way. Well, it was a. All right, I'm gonna touch off. And we'll take 75. Alright, here we go. That was 75. Give it a little bit of a deburr. There, put this one over there. Play switch. where are we at here? 2 inches. 2 inches, 250. We're at 425. I'm going to type that in of here. X 2.25, enter. Now I'm going to cut them down to 50 thou, within 50 thou. Where I'm on. So I'm going to have to, I'm going to conventional cut now. Take a little more than what I take it down to 300, 2 inches 300. I'm going to go 310 first, and then move over 10. Take the first part past that. Now I'm going to move over 10. And take the finished pass back. Alright, that should be 50 thou from nominal from finish. This is just cold roll steel. Alright, take the other one. Should have did that right away with this first one. Instead of moving it over there. Okay, I'm going to move 10 thou away. Take 10 thou more. Finish pass. Okay, I forgot that I had to cut these to thickness. The camera shut off, but they are 3/8 and they got to be 250. So I got shell mill in there. And the crank I touched off, moved up 10. and then we'll flip it and finish it off on the other side. Want to flip back and forth on cold rolled steel because when you cut it, you create a surface stress in it, and when you do that, it'll either contract or expand and put a stress in the material, and then it'll mold that way. So that's why you want to go from one side to the other. You don't want to take it all off on one side. It'll neutralize, somewhat neutralize the mold. Now I'm going to measure it with a mic here because I get it done filing on it. You know what? My file's cutting better since I demagnetized the tube. I suppose, you know, you get the chips in the file grooves and they hang up because they're magnetic. The file's magnetic and wants to hold on to them. So it seems like the file's cutting pretty good. Alright, so let's see where we're at. My mic out here. Dude, I bought these mics 45 years ago. Bought the whole set for $100 for 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Did I go through this already? Oh, that's 3. That's right. That's right. So I got 62 thou to come off of it. Yeah. Yep. Put that in there. Right there. That's good. And we'll take 60 thou. Okay. 90. Right there. I'm gonna make sure it don't hit my vice jaw. It shouldn't. Nope. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. This side. Gotta cut the other side. Just looking to make sure I know which side to cut. All right, where's my what do we got? 252, 251, 251, and 251 and a half. So, all right, so this was the second cut. This was the first cut. Far enough.